me pop up again. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped, ooh. Too much drip, ooh. Keep it ripped. Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with another video. It's about my locks again. I feel like I'm recording a lot of content about my locks, but this is just what I'm experiencing in my life right now, and I'm taking y'all on this journey with me. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be washing my locks, no retwist, but I'm just trying to learn my lock routine, my hair maintenance schedule with this new hair journey that I'm on. So I'm just going to take y'all on this journey with me, trial and error. I feel like that's just what it is. So I'm just trying to figure out how often I should wash my hair and how often I should retwist. And y'all are going along on the journey. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so you never miss an upload. Join the club. All right, so it has been a month since I washed my hair, and that was when I did my last retwist. And then I had washed my hair like 2 or 3 weeks after I first installed my locks. So I've washed my hair 2 times since November 22nd. So that's probably it. I usually, when my hair was loose, I wash my hair every 2 weeks. But I'm thinking every 3 to 4 weeks is gonna be it. And today, the washes in between retwists, it's really my scalp. I don't feel like my hair is dirty. It's really my scalp that needs attention. Right now my scalp is itching, and right here in the back, it's tender. I don't know why. So I decided to use the Scalp Care line by TPH by Taraji. This is the Never Salty sugar-based scalp and hair scrub. And you know, I'm really trialing and erroring things. So I decided I would use this because it's sugar-based. It can really exfoliate my scalp and cleanse it. And sugar is water soluble, so I don't have to worry about it getting stuck or built up in my locks. And then last time I did a wash day, no retwist, I used the rest of the line. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm also going to wash my hair. I'm going to use the Pomegranate and Honey shampoo from Myelo Organics. I'm a little nervous about using this one because it can detangle, which I don't want to happen, but it does provide moisture to my hair. So it's moisturizing and detangling. So I've learned that I need to wash my hair twice now that I have locks. Then once my hair is all washed, I'm gonna take you all through like my daily maintenance routine, how I actually maintain my hair and my locks and moisturize it, not on a daily basis, but just when necessary. Okay, let's get in there. Yeah. All right, y'all, so the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover. Just let y'all see what I'm doing. All right, this is the current state of my locks, of my hair. It's pretty dry. My scalp is itching. It's flaking. I have dandruff. So I'm just gonna split it into sections before I do the scalp scrub. And before I actually use the scalp scrub, I'm going to dampen my scalp and my hair. And this is just a bottle with water, vegetable glycerin, and a little bit of my oil. You don't really need that, but that's just how I like to moisturize my hair. And this is the Never Salty Scalp Scrub. So I'm just going through the parts and rubbing that product through each section. When I was a loose natural, I did use this on my hair, but I'm not really focusing this on my locks today. I really want to get all the dirt, debris, and dandruff and dead skin off of my scalp. And once it's all in there, I'm just scrubbing with the pads of my fingers, getting all those sugar particles to scrub my scalp and also the roots of my hair. So now that section is done, I'm going to put it up and out of the way and repeat the same steps on the other side. Spraying the hair down to wet it, and then applying the sugar scrub and massaging that onto my scalp. Y'all see it got real. I had to take the robe off. So I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for a little bit, and this is what it is looking like. Now once I got in the shower, I just rinsed the scrub out of each section before I went in to wash it. This is my hair, nice and scrubbed, feeling refreshed. I'm using the Master Cleanse from the Scalp Care collection and really focusing this product on my scalp, and thanks to that nozzle I can really get into the different sections of my hair.
And then once it's massaged into my scalp, it just ran down my locks, and just making sure to get any of the sugar scrub that was left out of my hair as well. And now that I've washed with the Master Cleanse, I'm going to use the Myelo Organics Pomegranate and Honey shampoo. Since I've started my lock journey, I have started to shampoo my hair twice. This is just the best way to ensure that my hair and scalp have the best clean possible. So I've gone in on my scalp and running the shampoo down my locks. And now I'm just going to rinse that shampoo out of my hair. And I'm using warm water. And to make sure that my hair is clean, I rinse it until the water runs clear. And that's one good thing about recording. I kind of have a mirror with my monitor so I can see and make sure that everything is out of my hair. And this is my hair all clean, and I'm still keeping it in separate sections just so it's easier. And now I'm using the Mint Conditioned Scalp Conditioner. My nozzle is jacked up, so only one of them actually dispenses product. So I had to put it on my fingers and then apply it to my scalp and massage it in. But I love that I have a conditioner specifically for my scalp. I really needed it. So I have the conditioner applied to my scalp. It's going to keep my hair up and out of the way while I finish the rest of my shower. And this is what my hair looks like. Freshly washed out of the shower. It is cleansed. It is conditioned. My scalp feels good and rejuvenated. So now it is time to moisturize and hydrate and to seal all of that into my hair as well as my scalp. So when I wash my hair, I like to use rose water as my conditioner. I did add some oil into my rose water just to add another moisturizing, hydrating element to it. So I just go through and spray this all throughout my hair. I spray it on my scalp, my roots, and my locks. And I get it nice and wet, not just damp. And I'm just massaging that in and working that through to make sure that every part of my hair is saturated. And then I'm going in with the Scalp Serum from TPH. And that's the good thing about having some clear parts. I can easily apply my products and work those in. So rose water is being used as the leave-in conditioner for my locks, and the TPH Scalp Serum is being used as a conditioner for my scalp. And I apply the serum in every section, and I ensure that I massage it into my scalp. And then I'm going to repeat those same steps on the other side, spraying my scalp, my roots, my locks with my rose water, and then applying the TPH Scalp Serum to my scalp in sections and massaging it in. Now that my hair has some water, some moisture in it, I need to ensure to seal all of this in. So on my scalp, I'm using the Myelo Organics Rosemary and Mint hair and scalp oil. I love this stuff. I live by it. So I just apply that all over my scalp and on my edges and massage that in. Of course, some of this is going to get on my hair, but I never really applied this directly to my hair. I really use this oil for my scalp and for the perimeter of my head. And then give myself a nice massage to stimulate the blood flow in my head. And then my oil blend, I just put it in this bottle that I used to keep oil in for my daughter. I just apply a generous amount to my hands and then work that into my hair. So from the roots and down the strands of my locks. And this is what my hair looks like after being washed, conditioned, and moisturized. No retwists today, but my hair looks clean and it feels good. So now I'm just going to pull it back in a ponytail and let it dry. And I actually had date night this night, so I wanted to set my hair and let it lay flat down. So I'm just tying it up with a satin scarf, and I left that on until later on that night. So I really loved using that TPH on my locks. I was a little hesitant about it, but it worked out. I'm going to keep purchasing. And this is what my hair looks like after a few hours of being laid down in the scarf. No gel, nothing. But that's it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. I'll be sure to see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, gadget.